How to remove text from video on VN app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first go to the Play Store application and make sure that your VN app is updated to its latest version. Now as you can see, it is updated and it doesn't have any option of update. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the home page of VN app. So it will look something like this, and now we just have a tap on new project. Now just tap on any video that you want. Here I'm selecting this one. After that you can just see the option of text over here, so just tap on that and then tap on text, and you can just add a heading or add a subheading. So I'm just tapping on add a subheading and just write text over here, for example beautiful, then tap on OK and then scroll that to the position that you would want. Okay, so now if I have to delete this text, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on this text over here at the keyframe. Then you can see the option of delete over here, so just tap on that and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.